Imagine a country where thousands of people die every year simply because they cannot afford cancer treatment. Imagine families watching their loved ones suffer, knowing that the cure exists, but it is far beyond their financial reach. For many years, this was the painful reality in Pakistan. But then one man decided to change that reality forever. One man believed that even the poorest patient deserved the same chance to live as the richest. This is the inspiring story of Shoukat Khanum Memorial Cancer Hospital and Research Center, one of the most advanced cancer treatment centers in Pakistan. But this hospital was not built by a government. It was not built by a multinational corporation. It was built because of a promise. A promise made by a son to his mother. And that son was Imran Khan. Today we will explore how this hospital was created, the struggles behind it, and how it continues to save thousands of lives every year. The beginning of a dream. Our story begins in the 1980s. At that time, Imran Khan was already one of the biggest cricket stars in the world. He was not just famous in Pakistan. He was known across the globe as one of the greatest all-rounders in cricket history. His leadership, talent, and confidence made him a national hero. Millions admired him. But despite all the fame and success, life had a difficult challenge waiting for him. In the early 1980s, Imran Khan's mother Shoukat Khanum was diagnosed with cancer. At that time, Pakistan did not have modern cancer treatment facilities. There were no advanced cancer hospitals with modern equipment. There were no specialized cancer research centers. For many patients, proper treatment simply did not exist within the country. Because of this, Imran Khan had to take his mother abroad for treatment. She was treated in hospitals outside Pakistan, where better facilities were available. But even with the best treatment available, the disease was too strong. In 1985, Shoukat Khanum passed away. Her death deeply affected Imran Khan. Like any son, he felt the pain of losing his mother. But along with grief came a powerful realization. He realized that thousands of families in Pakistan were suffering the same tragedy. But unlike him, many of them did not have the money to travel abroad. They could not afford expensive treatment. They had no hope. And many patients were dying simply because they were poor. At that moment, Imran Khan made a promise. A promise that would change the future of cancer treatment in Pakistan. He promised that he would build a cancer hospital in Pakistan where even poor people could receive treatment. An impossible mission. But turning that promise into reality was not easy. Building a cancer hospital is one of the most difficult medical projects in the world. Cancer treatment requires extremely advanced technology. It requires highly specialized doctors and medical staff. It requires laboratories, research centers, and expensive equipment. And most importantly, it requires a huge amount of money. Experts estimated that building such a hospital would cost millions of dollars. At that time, this seemed almost impossible. Pakistan had never built a world-class cancer hospital before. Many people doubted the idea. Some people even laughed. They said it could never happen. They believed that a cricket player could not build a hospital. But Imran Khan refused to give up. Instead of listening to the critics, he decided to take action. The nationwide fundraising campaign. Imran Khan began traveling across Pakistan to raise money for the hospital. He visited cities, towns, villages, and schools. He spoke to people about the importance of cancer treatment. He explained his vision of a hospital where rich and poor would be treated equally. At first, fundraising was very difficult. Many people were unsure whether the project would succeed. But slowly, something incredible began to happen. People started believing in the dream. Children donated their pocket money. Students organized fundraising events. Teachers, shopkeepers, and workers gave whatever they could. For many people, donating even a small amount was a big sacrifice. But they believed in the mission. One of the most touching parts of this campaign was the role of children. School students across Pakistan helped collect donations. They went door to door asking people to support the hospital. These children raised millions of rupees. Their contribution proved that even small efforts can create big change. Support from overseas Pakistanis. Imran Khan also reached out to Pakistanis living abroad. Overseas Pakistanis responded with incredible generosity. They supported the project with large donations. Fundraising events were organized in many countries. Gradually, the funds began to grow. But building the hospital required more than just money. It also required expertise. International experts were invited to help design the hospital. The goal was very clear. The hospital had to meet international standards. It had to be as good as the best cancer hospitals in the world. Construction begins. After years of fundraising, planning, and preparation, construction finally began. The hospital was built in Lahore. This project was one of the most ambitious healthcare initiatives in Pakistan's history. It required modern architecture, advanced technology, and careful planning. Every detail was designed to ensure that patients would receive the best possible care. The construction process took several years. There were financial challenges. There were technical challenges. But the team remained committed to the mission. And finally, the dream became a reality. The opening of the hospital. In 1994, the first Shoukat Khanum Memorial Cancer Hospital officially opened. It was a historic moment for Pakistan. For the first time, the country had a world-class cancer hospital. The hospital was equipped with advanced diagnostic and treatment facilities. From the very beginning, the mission of the hospital was simple and powerful. No cancer patient should be denied treatment because of financial problems. This principle became the foundation of the hospital. Even today, a large percentage of patients receive treatment completely free of cost. The hospital provides many advanced medical services, including cancer diagnosis, chemotherapy, radiation therapy, surgical treatment, laboratory testing, research and medical training. Because of these facilities, the hospital quickly became one of the best cancer centers in the region. A lifeline for thousands. Soon, patients from across Pakistan began traveling to the hospital. People came from small villages and remote areas. Some traveled hundreds of kilometers for treatment. For many families, this hospital became their only hope. Doctors and medical staff worked tirelessly to treat patients. Many lives were saved. Many families were given a second chance. And the dream that once seemed impossible was now transforming lives every day. Expansion and growth. As the hospital became more successful, the demand for cancer treatment increased. Thousands of new patients were seeking help every year. To serve more people, the hospital expanded its services. Another major hospital was later opened in Peshawar. This allowed patients from northern areas of Pakistan to receive treatment closer to home. New projects and expansions are also being planned to reach even more patients. The hospital network continues to grow. Research and medical education. Over time, the hospital became more than just a treatment center. It also became an important center for cancer research and medical education. Doctors are trained to fight cancer using modern techniques and technology. Medical students and researchers work together to study new treatments. The goal is not just to treat cancer, but to understand it better and improve future care. This commitment to research ensures that patients receive the most advanced treatments available. A symbol of hope. Today, Shoukat Khanum Hospital stands as one of the most respected healthcare institutions in Pakistan. Every year, thousands of patients receive treatment there. Many of these patients could never afford treatment anywhere else. Without this hospital, their chances of survival would have been very small. But because of one promise, they now have hope. The hospital proves that one dream can change millions of lives. It shows what determination, compassion, and vision can achieve. And it all started with a promise made by a son to his mother.